Today's Metcon is for time, which means we want to complete as quickly as possible the task that we have at hand. You have a time cap of 12 minutes in which to complete this task. If you do not complete it within 12 minutes, your score will be the number of rounds plus the number of reps that you have completed. If you do complete it before 12 minutes, your score will be the time that you finish it in. So your task for today is going to be a descending ladder of 12 different rounds. Your first round will have 12 repetitions of 2 exercises. Second round will have 11 repetitions of 2 exercises, so on and so forth till you come down to 1 repetition of both the exercises. Your intended stimulus for today's workout is a medium paced workout, medium to slightly fast paced workout. We're going to be doing a total of 156 repetitions. So you need to do at least 13 repetitions every minute to be able to finish this workout. So please scale down any movement that you feel you cannot do 13 repetitions of every minute. Scale it down or ask your coaches for something else. Your power snatch begins with the weight on the floor, and in one smooth motion you're going to jump and bring the weight up into an overhead position. Jump up and then lock your elbows out, lock your knees out for the rep to count. So with the weight on the floor, you're going to bring your chest up, hands are straight, you jump and your elbows will bend and you bring the weight up into an overhead position. You can change hands whenever you want during this. We suggest that you do 12 repetitions, all 12 repetitions with your right hand in the first round, then do all 11 reps with your left hand in the next round, so on and so forth. The next exercise is going to be a burpee over a dumbbell. Do one burpee, jump laterally over a dumbbell or any other object on the floor, and then you're going to continue and jump on the other side. It's going to be lateral hops over the dumbbell. If in case this is a little difficult for you, you can just do regular burpees instead. If you are prone to tripping, please don't just do regular burpees instead. Ask your coaches. Another way of being able to scale down the workout if burpees or something are difficult for you is that you can reduce the repetitions. So instead of starting from 12 burpee over dumbbells, you can sort of start off with a smaller number and keep it consistent throughout the whole workout. Whatever you do, ask your coaches for advice and don't forget to upload your scores, guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow.